Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and if your Chevy Cruze is stuck in park, okay, you cannot put in, let's say, in reverse, neutral or drive, we'll explain what can cause that now. We have a video that shows you how to bypass it, guys. We're going to mention that quick as well, but we'll explain if you have that problem, what to expect. We experienced that on a few cars, guys, and it's very frustrating because let's say you go somewhere, park the car, then you start to try to put it in reverse or drive and you can't, guys. And there is a way, okay, to actually bypass it. Check out the video, guys, and we'll mention what needs to be done quick here as well. Make sure to stay until the end. But quick introduction, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop. This is, guys, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. If you need any parts, check out the link in the description of the video below and see where we get all our parts from for a very good price and fast shipping as well. So what could, guys, lead to the car being stuck in park? Okay, let me show you now what I'm talking about. I'm talking about that your car will be running, you will press the brake pedal and you try to put it in park, in drive or reverse, and nothing, guys, it just stuck. So let's go ahead, explain that, and there are mostly, guys, 3 possibilities, and one of them you can test it super easy, and we'll show you how to do that now. So let me go ahead, turn the ignition on, guys. Okay, so turn the ignition on, make sure you stay until the end. We're going to share all 3 reasons with you, guys, okay, what could lead to that problem. This is, guys, a computer that we'll be using for one of the tests. If you're on the market, guys, for a good reliable scanner that can do so much, guys, pretty much almost like dealer level equipment without a programming, that's the one right there, and it works on any car, not just Chevy Cruze, guys. So that thing can pay itself off in just using it a couple of times. Let me show you what we do here now. We're going to go to diagnostics, and I want to show you all the cars that it supports. You can even work on Lamborghinis, BMWs, Bugatti, Lamborghini, amazing, guys. So we go to General Motors. We're going to do manual selection here, it will ask us in a second. Okay, right there. And I'll select 2015 passenger car Chevy Cruze, and now here we're going to select 1.8 engine 2HO. If you wonder which engine you have, we have a video that explains that, so please do check it out, guys. And once it connects, click. This is which type of radio you have. Doesn't really matter because we won't be diagnosing the radio. We'll select control unit, and here are all the computers in that car, guys, that you can scan and delete codes from. So pretty much simply amazing too, guys. The link will be in the description of the video below. We'll select body control module, guys, okay, right here, and we're going to select live data. Now under live data, guys, what we'll be looking for now, that will be the first thing, okay, that can make you not be able to shift in reverse, neutral or drive. This is the most common one, and it will be, guys, a bad brake light switch. The brake light switch, it's a multi-purpose switch, guys, installed on the brake pedal. What it does, it detects when you press the brake, so it needs that to activate the stop lights, it needs that to deactivate your cruise control, but also needs that to know that you apply the brake so you can, guys, shift your car. And if that switch is bad, you're done, guys. So definitely need to take care of that. And how we can test that brake light switch? Pretty simple. Let me show you now. Right here it says brake pedal applied, inactive, and check it out now. If I press it, okay, I'm trying to focus here. From inactive it goes to active, inactive, active now. So our brake pedal is working, guys, and you can actually see so many things about the pedal, how much it's pressed. Okay, let me see where it went. Brake pedal sensor right here. Depending on how much I press the pedal, it gives different voltage. It calculates the position as well, guys. Okay, pedal position 9, 17, you can see 23. Brake transmission shifter interlock, guys. If it says inactive, it means that it doesn't let us shift now. So if you guys press the brake pedal, okay, like that, it should read active, and now you should be able to, okay, change transmission. Otherwise it's a bad brake light switch. Another thing that could be, guys, okay, it could be a bad gear selector here, but something else, guys, okay, something else I want to show you. It could be the module, okay, the module that controls the ABS and the traction control module. That's installed on your ABS pump. We have a video on the channel where it's located, how to get to it. If that computer goes bad, you may experience those symptoms, guys. And even though I have the car, okay, I'm not going to even press the brake pedal. Let me show you now. I can manually, guys, shift that car if I need to, but this is only for transportation services. Let's say you need to put it on a trailer or something like that. By pressing right here now with a screwdriver and emergency brake applied, I can manually, guys, shift the car if I need to. So I can override that system, so I can load it on a trailer or push it out of the road, put it in neutral. But that's, guys, top 3 reasons why you may experience your transmission stuck in park. So hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.